In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your credit score for free. Now, many banks and credit companies offer free credit scores to their customers, so sometimes it shows it inside the mobile app of whatever bank you got your credit card from. So let's say, for instance, you have a credit card over at Citibank. What you would need to do is you would need to install that bank's app and then sign in using your credit card, which obviously you will need to input your credit card number and stuff like that. And obviously, each of these banking apps do offer reliable customer support that you guys could utilize. But typically, it is going to show you your FICO score in the app itself. And if you just recently got a credit card, do not worry. If it says something like FICO score is coming, that is normal. It typically takes a couple months for your credit score to actually be generated if it's your first ever credit card. So using a banking app is definitely one of the better resources out there where you can go ahead and get free access to your FICO score, which is ultimately what lenders care about the most. Now, another really reliable resource that I recommend that you guys all utilize is Credit Karma. Credit Karma is completely free, and if you haven't made an account, be sure to do so because it is going to let you know your credit score at any point. So even if you just recently started getting credit cards and stuff like that, it is going to let you know your credit score. So obviously, you will need to go ahead and create an account if you haven't already. And making an account with Credit Karma is really intuitive and simple, so you can go ahead and easily make an account. So yeah, what's great about Credit Karma is that it shows you your Vantage score, which comes from TransUnion and Equifax, and it is 100% free, and it has daily updates, credit monitoring, and it alerts you for any changes. It is perfect for quick checks and tracking over time. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.